The next three videos discuss the logical essay and its history. All of us engineers know that we have to write. Often the reason given is that we need to write to communicate something. I don't know about you, but that answer is just not that satisfying. It makes writing into little more than a necessary evil. Nonetheless, the demand for writing cannot be denied. If you have been through many job interviews, you know that writing skills are often in the job description. You may consider that inclusion to be the company's exercise in futility, that is, hoping against hope to find an engineer with good communication skills. But that hope does betray a desire/need. Even in graduate school, where you have no liberal arts classes at all, you cannot escape writing. You will soon find out how many varieties of technical writing there are. There are critical reviews, there are journal papers, there are conference papers, there are lab reports, and so forth. You will likely spend hours researching articles in the library, experimenting in the laboratory, and then writing articles for publication. Writing becomes your lifeblood, in the land known as publish or perish. One would hope, with how pervasive writing is, that it could be put to more uses than just communication. And that, my friends, is certainly the case. I stated in section 1 that the structure undergirding nearly all of writing is the logical essay. And the steps you take to structure a logical essay have the same pattern as the path you follow when working through all those wonderful technical problems. This is great news, since it means that the process of writing a logical essay will actually help you hone your problem-solving skills and make you into a better engineer. To illustrate how the logical essay relates to problem solving, consider the similarities between the logical essay and mathematics. Math, which is the core language of the physical sciences, is used to prove, disprove, and explain scientific concepts, theories, and the like. In this role, a math argument requires a logical progression. Though generally suspected to fall somewhere between creative writing and a boring list of facts in paragraph form, a proper, that is, logical essay actually requires a flow of thought similar to that of a math argument. Like an essay, a math argument requires an introduction, where you pose the problem, a body, which gives the sequential steps used to progress through the problem, and a conclusion, which is the final answer. Seen this way, a math argument and the logical essay are quite similar. Furthermore, this comparison illustrates that the process of writing an essay is useful for setting up and solving technical problems. Early college math courses give you equations so that all you have to do is solve them. Physics courses at least define the problem through a story, leaving you the job of finding and using the equations needed to solve the problem. But when you enter the world of design, almost no one gives you equations or neatly packaged problem definitions. No, indeed, in the world of design, you are told to define the problem itself and then to solve it in an effective way. There is no textbook or lab manual to help you set up and solve problems in research or industry. Rather, everything now depends on you and how you approach things. It is up to you to define the problem, to solve it, and then to write the subsequent manual, white paper, technical report, or technical paper for others. This is where, far from burdening you, the process of constructing the logical essay actually helps you and becomes an essential technical skill. As you will learn in this course, the steps you use to structure an essay allow you to both define and solve the problem. Almost as an afterthought, it allows you to communicate your brilliant solution with others, which is a nice bonus.